Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Universal Maths. Let's look at the tricky problem of the next session. So we are given that perimeter equals to 2p and we are given that this angle equals to alpha, and this is an isosceles triangle. And we have to express this area with p and alpha. Before starting, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, press the like button. So let's get started. We have to put measurements for the sides in order to be convenient. Here A, and later you can write down here B, and here perimeter equals to 2A plus B. Here area of ABC triangle will be equal to 1/2 times two sides and the sine of the angle between them. A times B times sine alpha it will be. And at the end we'll need this formula. Now I'll draw here an altitude. If we will draw here altitude, it will be also median here and a bisector, of course. Here if it will be a median, this side will be B/2. Okay, if this point will be DC will be B/2. Here cosine alpha, we can find out cosine alpha will be equal to B/2 over A, and it is B/2A. And here we can find out B will be equal to 2/8. If we'll multiply both sides by 2A, we can get this expression 2A times cosine alpha. And we can put, instead of A here, instead of B here, 2A cosine alpha. Here if we will put 2P will be equal to 2A plus 2A times cosine alpha. And here we can cancel all the 2, and we'll get here P will be equal to A plus A times cosine alpha. And we can factorize this. We can take A out of the brackets. It will be A times 1 plus cosine alpha. And by dividing both sides by 1 plus cosine alpha, we can get A. That A will be equal to P over 1 plus cosine alpha. Here we found A, and now we can find out B by plugging into this A, the founded measurement or value, we can say. Here 2P will be equal to 2 times P over 1 plus cosine alpha. Here 2 times A plus B. Now B will be equal to, if we will subtract this expression from both sides, we'll get 2 pi P minus 2P over 1 plus cosine alpha. And we can take out from the brackets 2P, and it will be 1 minus 1 over 1 plus cosine alpha. Here B will be equal to 2 pi. If we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 plus cosine alpha, we'll get that cosine alpha plus 1 minus 1 over 1 plus cosine alpha times 2. B will be equal to B. And 1 and 1 we can cancel, and we can get that B will be equal to 2 pi times cosine alpha over cosine alpha plus 1. And we found the values of A and B. Now it's time to plug these expressions instead of here A and B. Here ABC will be equal to 1/2 times the A, measurement of A is pi over 1 plus cosine alpha times B, here 2 pi to P cosine alpha over 1 plus cosine alpha. And at the end, we'll have the sine alpha. And we can cancel 2 and 2. And we can get that A area of the A, BC will be equal to P, and P will give us P squared, the sine alpha, first of all, and cosine alpha here, and over 1 plus cosine alpha 2 times, it will be the cosine alpha squared, it will be. And we have other answer. If the answer will not match, the other answer will be, if we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, we can get that this expression will be equal to P squared times, and these expressions will give us sine 2 alpha. Sine 2 alpha over 2 times 1 plus cosine alpha squared. Or this answer will be there in the answers. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. See you soon in the next videos. Bye for now.